Hello learners, welcome to another video of SK Hindi. Now in this video we are going to learn simple sentences for plural. Here in this video we will learn sentences for uh, you, for they, for we and for those. So I would suggest you to write all these meanings in your notebooks. For you means tum, they means we means hum, and those means we. Please repeat after me. You means tum. There are two meaning for you. We use tum for youngers, and we use aap for elders. Okay. So if you want to give respect someone, so you will address with aap. But for example, if you want to talk about uh, your siblings, your friends, so you tum is more intimate, while aap is more respectful, right? Now they means we means hum, those means we. Now let's go to C sentence. Okay, now for R, we have two meaning, ho and hai. Ho we use only for tum. For other subject, we don't use ho. For other plural, we always use hai. We use ho only for tum. With aap, you can also use ho, but it's good to use hai even for aap. So for aap, you can use ho and hai, and for tum, you can use only ho. For other plural like they, we, those, or for two names, you will use hai. So if you want to say you are Mohan, how can you say aap Mohan hai? You are Mohan. Aap Mohan hai. But for example, if you want to, if Mohan is younger than you and you want to say you are Mohan, then you will say tum Mohan ho, right? Now let's go to see sentence structure. If you want to say you are, and whatever you will put here, Mohan or Akram or Ram, so that will come here. So if you want to say you are Mohan, that will be aap Mohan hai. You are David, aap David hai. You are Julie, aap Julie hai. Okay. Even for singular, we are using aap and hai, right? So now here we are, whatever you will put here, again it will come here. So try to understand the sentence structure. That is important. Once you will understand the sentence structure, you can make many sentences like this. Okay, so don't memorize, try to understand. Now let's go to see some sentences. So if you want to say they are boys, how can you say वे लड़के हैं? Boy is लड़का, boys means लड़के. So they means वे, boys means लड़के, are means हैं. So they are boys in Hindi, it will become they boys are. Okay, you know that we always write this linking verb at the last of the sentence. Okay. Okay, now let's go to see next sentence. Those are my friends. Now here you can say we are using my for plural, so it will be mere, and for plural friends दोस्त. तो वो मेरे दोस्त हैं. Okay, वो मेरे दोस्त हैं. Now how can you say we are students? So you know the meaning of we is hum. We will write in starting of the sentence students. You can say students. There is also a meaning for students in Hindi, but try to understand sentence structure. Once you will be able to make sentences, you can memorize many vocabulary. So okay, here you can say हम student हैं. Now you can see here Mohan and Ram are brothers. Okay, Mohan and Ram are brothers. So Mohan and Ram first, and then brother भाई, and then for R है. मोहन और राम भाई हैं. How to say they are Indian? वे Indian हैं. Okay. Now how to say we are not British? हम British. And again for making negative we will use nahi just before the linking verb. Nahi hai. Now if you want to say they are not my friend, so it will be here. Let me correct it. It will be वो वे मेरे. I wrote two one time. वे मेरे दोस्त नहीं हैं. Okay, I hope you got it. Now let's go to see a exercise for this sentence structure. Going to see these sentences, I would suggest you to pause the video and try all these sentences by yourself. I hope you have tried. Now let's go to see how can you say all these sentences in Hindi. So the first sentence is you are David. I hope you wrote up and then David, then हैं. आप David हैं. Now next thing, you are a boy. How to say? आप. Boy means लड़का. And then हैं. आप लड़का हैं. Okay. Now how to say you are 16 years old? आप 16 साल के हैं. Okay. Now next sentence. How to say you are an American? आप American हैं. Now next sentence. How to say they are girls? वे लड़कियां हैं. So लड़की one girl and girls for plural it will become लड़कियां. Okay, लड़कियां. The sound there will be a nasal sound, so I put here and लड़कियां हैं. वे लड़कियां हैं. Okay. Now let's see the next sentence. Okay. This is they are my friends. So वे for plural मेरे friend दोस्त हैं. How to say they are not student? वे student. And for making sentence negative we will add नहीं हैं. तो वे students and then नहीं है. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we are boys. How to say? हम लड़के हैं. Okay. Now if you want to say we are students, तो हम students हैं. Okay. Now next sentence. How to say we are not teacher? So you can say हम teacher नहीं है. Okay. I hope you got all these sentences correct. And if you have any doubt, please write in comment box. And please do subscribe and like this video, because whenever you like and subscribe, it motivates us to make more such video for helping you.